Today, I went for a nature discovery walk with Neha Joshi. She is a renowned educator from Pune on subjects related to environmental science and conducts workshops on subjects like eco printing, making terrariums, making kokedama, and some more. In today's walk, she explained details related to landscaping of Deshpande Botanical Garden from Pune, also known as Okayama Garden. This garden is designed as per the Japanese principles of landscaping. Such a beautiful garden it is, but I visited it for the first time. Neha explained how much the surprise element, that is, hide and reveal principle, and the sound of water stream is valued in Japanese landscape architecture and in what ways it is used in this garden. Many details about stone lanterns, tea garden, gazebo, etc., which are some of the elements of Japanese landscape architecture, were explained with respect to this garden wonderfully by her during this nature walk. She shared many amazing facts about all the plants here, their names, about their seasons, about their season of abscission, that is, shedding of leaves, and so much more. She also knows a lot about birds from this place. She talked, and I was in awe. Before we said goodbye for a while, we collected a handful of bakul flowers, the small, white, beautifully fragrant flowers. I feel we all should periodically associate ourselves to such activities which engage us into understanding our Mother Nature more.